Tonight we have a old antique coffee pot. I have a cup of water here. Just gonna dump it inside. We're just gonna try one to start out with it. We have the container here which will hold the grounds and the lid. We're only gonna do this with just plain water in it. Get it all put together, we'll put on our lid. Now here's the tricky part. I'm gonna get this thing lit up. I know it worked. Right. Well, keeps going out on me. There it appears to be lit. I'm going to place it underneath. Now by getting down we can see appears to be smoking a little bit. I believe that's because we didn't clean the bottom off it. And maybe at one time it had something else in it. So, the main cameraman says to turn down the flame a little bit, so we'll try that. Actually, has in a hurry for hot water. Alright, I believe we've now got this sterilized, and it is putting out water pretty good on the top. I'm going to go ahead and probably shut this flame right off, turn it down low as it can. I'll take it out. I don't have a snuffer, so I guess I'm just going to blow on it. And we'll see about dumping this water out and adding some clean cold water. Maybe pot holders recommended. Hate to have that thing still. Hot it is. Okay. Looks nice and clean in there. Okay, for a minute I guess we'll probably have to start up, get some grounds going here, so. Alright, I'm just going to put in 2 ice cream scoops because we do like ice cream. They're not 6 ounce, we're just going to go with a regular size. There's the lid. Make sure it's shook up. I like to turn it over. May it help clean out the lid. Alright. With the coffee in there, enough, try to level it out under the bottom. Lid on right. Like that. Just hey. Now here goes the striker again. Okay, it took about a minute and it started perking right away. Now we'll just have to see how long it takes till the water starts turning color. But about 2 minutes in the process. Alright, looks like it's getting just about the color that would make a good cup. So at this point we are now ready, we believe, to enjoy our cup of coffee. Alright, you can see that really looks nice. I'm about ready to try it out. Perhaps I should use 2 hands on this.
Look at that.
Now that definitely looks like a cup of coffee. And there we have it. I've never had this kind before, so perhaps I need someone else to demonstrate it. She's really doing good now, just like it would on a gas stove. I can hear it.